Hope that you're well. In this episode, we decided that we are taking matters into our own hand and we are going to measure the sails ourselves because that's the quickest way moving forward without having to wait for anybody else. So let's take a look.
We are unable to get the boat up to Annapolis in order for Quantum Sails to come out to measure the boat for the new sails.
Yeah, we can measure it. Yeah, just tell me what I need to measure. I can measure it. All right, we'll give it a shot. All right, talk to you later.
Well, I am really eager to head out from this marina. There's no Wi-Fi, so we can't live and work on the boat. So that's been a real problem. So we really want to get things moving. And because we're so far from Annapolis, we decided that if we're going to be able to move things forward, we have to measure the sails ourselves. So after we took the sails off, came time to look and see what the measurements might be. So the first measurement that they asked for was the length from the forestay to the front of the mast.
Yeah, and I was not sure when it says measure from the forestay. Is it the forestay where it meets the deck, or is it the forestay where it attaches at the very bottom? So not sure. So we did both measurements actually.
Okay, I'm getting exactly.
They also wanted the measurement from the forestay to the front and back of these tracks.
Yeah, and that was kind of hard for me because front and back, I mean, was it from the back clip point, hook point here, or the back of the actual metal part of the track? So, well, we did our best.
One measurement we thought they were asking for was a measurement from the spreader down to the forestay. And we were trying to figure out how do we get to measure that without going up the mast. So we put a line up and put the measuring tape on the line all the way up to the spreader. Felt very proud of ourselves for getting that measurement. However, once we read the directions again, that is not what they were asking for. So all our ingenuity was a short-lived pleasure.
So let's try that here.
Yeah, what they actually wanted was the length of the forestay to the front and rear shrouds. So we did that, and those are basically the four measurements that they wanted. It's hard to do this and film at the same time. I had a friend send me a couple of other measurements that we also took some of those measurements, and we sent them off to Quantum in anticipation of the next step.
Okay, well, measuring is great, and I'm glad we're going to move the project forward, but I want to go see our granddaughter now. So come on, let's go.
Cece, give me a high five.
Papa.
And who's this?
Mama.
So we wait for our sails to be delivered, and in the meantime, we're glad our house did not sell, and we can now enjoy our life together as we wait in anticipation of good things to come, and grateful for the past and all of our good friends that have walked with us through this exciting journey. You're the reason that I make these videos, and I hope they show the realistic life of a cruising wannabe.